Welcome to the one and only unstoppable Celestia cryptocurrency, a price prediction for the last 10 days left of 2023, aiming to discover, as usually, the most important things in a rational way around the price action. Celestia is up by $400 million volume in the past 24 hours, which is an increased level. As well, it is having a great moment, pumping 14% for the past 24 hours, and it's already moving in the hourly chart as well. We're going to dive into the charts and find out more exactly on the topic, what is going on, and what kind of expectations can we have for the last 10 days of the year of 2023. Before we touch bases, for those of you that would like to see more daily videos or price predictions for 2024, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, like this one and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification and stay in touch. As well, looking forward to it. If you have any questions in the comments area, you can definitely ask me. At the same time, if you believe trading is important for you, then we have our ChatGPT AI bot trading. We are performing with this. And as you see, we have a trade here running on Bybit along on the BTC, 30 Bitcoins opened at 41,262. We had a $57,000 pure profit on this. So 41,262 is basically right there where we have the entry, 41,262. Now at the same time, you can join our trading without upfront fees, only commission at every 7 days based on the pure profits achieved. So it's based on performance, nothing upfront. Very simple and straightforward. We complete the trading through API trading permission. You give us trading permission, we execute trades. Or you have the other way around, where you receive the signals from us and you handle the process as well. And that comes in with a monthly fixed fee. Now you can find out more about my trading spreadsheet on the page. As well, for those of you that are looking for the education, then we have the one-on-one coaching program. Anyone out there considering the crypto space as a great opportunity to become financial free, then you need to invest in your education and be highly skilled on the topic of trading. So I'm going to talk about this one at the end of the at the end of the video as well. What's going on with Celestia? Well, nothing bad around the corner, nothing surprisingly out of the range of our considerations of the past as well. A cryptocurrency which is continuously held and sustained by levels of bullishness. Considering that we have been retracing, which is absolutely normal, the entire space has been dipping around. It's actually something that has happened with Celestia when BTC was suffering 3 to 4% markdown. Celestia actually broke higher and went to all-time high. And then later on, in a little bit delayed form, we just tanked 26%. Now, of course, 26% on leverage, even with 2x, is 54%. It's quite a large amount, right? If you got into the top, or if you were purchasing Celestia anywhere around 14.5, it is a sufficient decrease percentage-wise to hit your wallet. At the same time, for those of you that got a lot earlier in this cryptocurrency and have the ability to tweak their positions by exiting partially in the highs and then purchasing back and then sort of a way trading it correctly, then you still have the ability to maximize your resources by acting. So Celestia has been able to find support, major support on 100 days moving average. It actually rejected the market over there, and we have been not closing below the number 1 Fibonacci extension located on 11.5. This is major thing, guys. This is very important. It's a major thing, and it's exactly what we have needed as ultimate case scenario to continue the market pump of Celestia. 200 days moving average are far away from us. To decrease to that level from the tops would have actually meant 40%. And this is not only liquidating the majority part of the people out there in leverage, like 99% of the guys are going to be liquidated if they do not exit earlier with such scenario, as stop losses are being hit, exchanges are making the money, and a lot of the people are usually left out. However, it didn't happen because Celestia has force at this level to still continue upwards, which is something amazing. We just came back basically to a level with liquidity, and a lot of the people that had longed from there, from this structure at 11.3, 11.4, 11.5, even down to the $11, a bunch of the guys have longed from there. So the markets have been pushing it to the highs and then dumping it exactly to that level in order to take their liquidity and positions out by stop loss hitting, trailing stop loss liquidations, and so on. So it was a perfect move basically for the market makers and exchanges to benefit at a large scale from this. It was also generating them a very, very good entry at the end of the day. Since we have started to move from the 100 days moving average, we have already printed 21% in 20 hours, which is amazing. At the same time, we need to consider the fact that the area that we're dealing with right now is filled up with 3 extensions between 1.272, 41.4, and 618. These are all levels that are going to have a certain level of bearish pressure, definitely not big at all. The one that is going to be big will be the round number, and then what's happening above, which is something that I'd like to cover. What do I care about is the round number of 2, which sits on 15 bucks. But then I don't care about the upcoming 2 levels of the extensions. I'll care about the red one, the blue one, which means the 2.618 located on 17, and the $19 on 3 round number. What about the 20 bucks? 20 bucks is still sitting on the table along the way with the 21.5. And those are the other 2 major extensions that I pretty much care about that have usually the force to reverse the markets. Any other extension above is not having the force to retrace completely the markets and turn the energy around in a heavy way, but most likely temporarily act with a pressure which can easily overcome and outranked sooner or later. Now, in order to perform in such direction, you need to have Bitcoin healthy and wealthy along the way with the entire market sentiment. If we got bearish news that are externally having their source, this is going to trigger some uncertainty and the altcoins are having difficulties. Other than that, there's not much time left for 2023, just about 10 days. So talking about 3.618 and levels 4 are quite high at the moment. Therefore, I would actually consider a 2.618 as a great target, another 28%, with the highest level on a little bit of fade out here, 37% on round number 3 for the extension. That's it around Celestia, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. At the same time, for those of you that would like to join my trades, you can definitely check out and reach out to me and contact me. All the links are in the description area. We have some example trades right here that we have performed, and you can see more on the topic as well on my channel, including the coaching, guys. Well, this is only for serious people, just like I said, that think about a crypto space has something to offer them. The crypto space is about to get into a bull market phase, a cycle which is lasting for more than a year, that has different sub-cycles and so on. If you get yourself ready from the knowledge and skills standpoint, you can actually maximize and aim for financial freedom at the end of the bull market, which will obviously face major regulatory, and that thing is going to stop down for sure the volatility index for the lifetime of the crypto space. As soon as the regulatory steps in at heavy level, you are no longer going to see 40-50% increases in a day. You're no longer going to see anything more than 1 to 2% movements, which is going to be, that's it, right? So this bull market that we have is actually the one which is probably the last one in a 90% scenario case, depends on the regulatory stuff at a time they want to step in. However, this is a situation that is needed to be utilized at the highest efficiency. So this is a one-on-one coaching program directly with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade in a professional manner. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, you want to be any of those, it doesn't matter. Your level of knowledge again at the moment do not matters. We can focus on any of your points. At the same time, you can be part-time or full-time. It's not an issue. Trading can be done from both sides. Make sure to watch the video for a detailed explanation, read around the page, and register now for a free conversation with me where I can explain you even more. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Enjoy and take care.